Tired of squinting at dark mode in Word? Switch to light mode in 30 seconds with these 3 clicks. So you open up Microsoft Word and everything is dark. Maybe the top bar is black, the ribbon is gray, and the page itself is this harsh white on dark combination that just feels off. You click around looking for the setting, but it is buried somewhere you would never think to check. I have been there. It is frustrating, especially when you just want to get to work in a clean, bright interface. So let me walk you through exactly where to find that switch. No digging through random menus, no guesswork. First, click File, then Options, then change the Office theme. That is the whole roadmap right there. Let us break it down step by step. Alright, start by clicking the File tab in the top left corner of Word. It is the very first tab, usually colored blue. This opens up what is called the Backstage view. Do not let the name throw you off. It is just a full-screen menu where you manage your documents, print, share, and access settings. The reason you start here is because the theme setting is tucked away inside Word's global options, not under any of the menus on the ribbon. So click File and you will see a column of options appear on the left side of the screen. Now from that File menu, scroll down and select Options at the bottom. It is the very last item in that left-hand column. When you click it, a new window pops up. This is the Word Options dialog box, and it is where pretty much all of Word's behind-the-scenes settings live. This is the control room. If you have never opened this before, do not worry, it looks more complicated than it actually is. You are not going to need to change anything else here right now. In the Word Options window, make sure you are on the General tab. It is usually selected by default when the window opens, but if it is not, just click General at the top of the left-hand sidebar. Now look for a section called Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. Inside that section, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Office Theme. That is the magic setting right there. Click that drop-down and you will see a few different options. Choose Colorful. Colorful is the standard light mode interface. It gives you that bright, clean look with the familiar blue top bar and white ribbon. Alternatively, you might see white or light gray, which are also light options. But if you want the classic fresh default, Colorful is the one to pick. After you select it, click the OK button at the bottom of the window. And here is the really important part. The change happens immediately. You do not need to restart Word or reload your document. The second you click OK, the entire interface switches over. The ribbon turns white, the side panels go light, and that dark theme is gone. You are back in a bright, comfortable workspace that is much easier on the eyes for long writing sessions. Now you know exactly where that setting lives, so if something ever happens again and you accidentally switch back to dark mode, or maybe you try out a different theme and decide you do not like it, you can come right back here and fix it in about 10 seconds. No need to hunt around or watch another tutorial. Go ahead and give it a try. Open up Word, walk through these steps one time, and you will wonder why it was ever hidden in the first place. Happy writing!